Hello students, welcome back. I am again with the next video, next part of the tenses. In my last video, I have discussed with you past, present indefinite. So in this uh, series, I am going to share with you the tenses related to past indefinite and future indefinite. So this is past indefinite. Firstly, I have shown you the structure of past indefinite. Subject plus second form of the verb and plus object. This is the affirmative. We went to school. Here we are supposed to use second form of the verb. So we are not using go, we are using went. Ram ate his apple. She finished the chapter. Mother cooked new dish today. Okay, these were the sentences of affirmative. Now come to negative. Subject plus did plus not plus first form of the verb and plus object. Remember one thing, that in affirmative we will use verb first form, but in negative and interrogative we will use did plus first form of the verb, because did is the helping verb and always first form of the verb goes with did, do and does. Okay, so the helping verb for past indefinite is did. She did not complete her work. Children did not like action movies. We did not enjoy cartoons series. News did not give authentic reports. Police did not do their job properly in Mumbai. Do word is missing here. Please do write in your notebook. Interrogative. Interrogative, I have told you in my last video that interrogatives are of two type. First one, the words, the sentences which just start with the helping verb, and the second one which just start with the question word. So here is the complete structure. Question word plus did plus subject. If the sentence is negative, then note will come, then first form of the verb and plus object and plus question mark. Why did he not go there? Where did you not, sorry, it is when did you not obey my order? Did you listen my voice? Did they not join the party? Sorry for the word misspelled. Now come to future indefinite. Affirmative, and the structure will start like that. Subject plus will shall plus first form of the verb plus object. This is future indefinite. करेंगे, कोई काम हम फ्यूचर में करने वाले हैं, कोई प्लानिंग है तो उसके लिए फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट. ओके, एंड इन पास्ट द वर्क हैज़ बीन फिनिश्ड. कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वो काम ख़त्म हो चुका था, गए. ओके, दे विल फिनिश देयर वर्क सून. विल शैल, how we will use it? There is no rule for singular and plural subjects. Here I and we. Shall helping verb will go with I and we. I और we के साथ हम shall का यूज़ करेंगे और he और she के साथ हम will का यूज़ करेंगे. In fact, he और she plus all the subjects except will, we और I और we के अलावा जितने भी सब्जेक्ट हैं, चाहे वो सिंगुलर हैं चाहे प्लूरल हैं, उन सबके साथ हम विल का यूज़ करेंगे. दे विल फिनिश देयर वर्क सून. आई शैल गो टू मार्केट. चाइल्ड विल लर्न टू स्पीक. वी शैल स्टार्ट न्यू लेसन टुडे. दीज आर द sentences of future indefinite affirmative. Note down the structure properly. This is the negative. Subject plus will shall plus not plus first form of the verb and plus object. This was the structure of negative sentences of future indefinite. Okay, and here are the examples. I shall not teach today. The gardener will not water the plants. The peon will not ring the bell. Suraj will not finish his homework. Ramo will not produce new movie. Okay, now come to interrogatives. Here is the structure. Please note down the structure carefully. Question word plus will or shall plus subject plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. ओके, प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. अगर आपके सेंटेंस क्या से शुरू होते हैं, क्या हम वहाँ जाएंगे, क्या वो काम करेगा, तो वो सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. हम हैं, वी आएगा तो शैल, और अगर आई है तो भी शैल आएगा. लेकिन बच्चे वहाँ खेलने जाएंगे, क्या हम काम करेंगे, क्या वह खाना खाएगा, तो ही आएगा. ही के अकॉर्डिंग विल पहले आएगा. और अगर इंटरोगेटिव वर्ड हिंदी के सेंटेंस में इंटरोगेटिव वर्ड बीच में आता है तो पहले उस वर्ड की इंग्लिश आपको लिखनी होती है। जैसे वाई विल यू नॉट डू योर वर्क, यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन हिंदी में क्या कह रहा है, तुम अपना काम क्यों नहीं करोगे। तो पहले क्वेश्चन वर्ड क्या है, क्यों। क्यों की इंग्लिश आपको पहले लिखनी है, उसके बाद आपको विल और शैल यूज करना है सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग। क्या तुम अपना काम, तो यू सब्जेक्ट क्या है हमारा यू, और यू के साथ क्या आएगा, विल, शैल नहीं आएगा। Why will you not do your work? When shall we start the meeting? Where shall I go now? Will she not eat an egg? Will they not go to play today? Shall we join the party tomorrow? Okay, I hope these structures are being clear to you now. Please do watch the video carefully and note down the structures and do practice of different sentences apart from these which I have written down, okay, which I have jotted down. Thank you. Soon we will meet with another part of the tenses. Stay safe, stay home.